Hey, this is Bernie and I'm Treen and we're from Two Aging Aussies. We've packed up our everyday life after having a midlife clarity and decided to travel this awesome country full time. We love our home on wheels and our big girl that tows it, and we take the back roads wherever and whenever we can. We work when we have to, look after farms and volunteer to help with our travels. We're not precious and love to get our hands dirty. Now, some people may think we have all the gear and no idea, and they're probably right, but we love this country and want to share our adventures with you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace be the journey.
First day of our 5-week visit. Just a quick shot of the pub. There's the publican. Not much to her. Typical pub. Bar, beer, pool table.
So this is day 3 of our publican duties. We pretty much got smashed Monday and yesterday. I cooked 22 meals, so yeah, that was pretty huge in like 42-degree heat. Bern's loving his publican duties. Don't see many people vacuuming a pool table. Anyway, it's actually much cooler today, which is good. There's a nice breeze, a little bit of rain. We just had the lunch rush and nearly time for us to have a break. Anyway, love the pub life. It's awesome. We're just up at the pub. The boys actually paid off the pub today. So we're just having a bit of a celebration. I think it's going to get pretty messy. But look at the sunset. Absolutely amazing. Flies are bloody friendly today. How cool is that, eh? Cannot get much better.
Here's Treen getting touched up by Tom at the Stonehenge pub.
We've actually got the day off from the pub because we're working tonight because there's a party, but holy, what's a good looking man walking over there? Good looking rooster. Anyway, I think we are going to get hit by a big storm very shortly, which potentially could stop a few people coming in from out of town that are out on stations. Anyway, she's 36 degrees, so it's bloody hot. But yeah, oops, sorry. It's a coming.
Okay, down on the Thompson River just outside Stonehenge. Thought I'd drop a couple of traps in just to have a look, see if I can't get anything. These are not the main river, these are just billabongs off the side. So let's go find a spot for this one. It's a bit muddy down by the water, so yeah, so I need a tree or something overhanging the water so I can drop her in. But I'll find something. Bloody flies are friendly. Alright, I found a tree over there, overhanging the water, so I've dropped another dilly in there. There's a fair bit of water here. I don't know how deep it is, but we'll see what happens, eh? Might get a yabby or two, red claw. We'll come back tomorrow sometime and check them out. This is an old boat. There's 2 of these, another one further up. Old metal boat. This is what they used to go across the river with when the causeway flooded. Down there, they'd throw the boats in and they'd row them across. I saw these last October or something, September, October, when we were out here last year. I found this little thing. It's got a message in it. And I put one of our 2 Agent Aussie stickers. She's faded pretty well in a couple of months. But I'll just read this out to you. So this is what's rolled up in that little cylinder. There's a couple of pieces of paper. And it's just got different stamps on it. I don't know what they are, whether they're station stamps or something. There's one there, Liz and Bruce, Dave and Wazza, blue waffle something, can't read that. Wollaston, Happy Feet, Wodonga, Shorefoot, Shorecott, must be a station. It's more on the back here. Snake Pitters. Yeah, that's a name, so just roll that up, put them back here. There's a spare bit of paper here for people to put this stuff on. But yeah, I'll put it back in the little cylinder.
Morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Day off today from the pub. Actually, we had yesterday off too. Today and tomorrow, unless it gets busy. So we are going exploring. I'm not really sure where we're going.
Yeah, there's a dirt road here. It'll take us to a mainish road at 35 k's. We'll be right.
Hopefully they're all open because got a couple of little storms here on Saturday night. And normally when they've got rain, they close the roads, the dirt roads anyway. So
yeah, we only had an inch, so it should be fine. I was on the dirt road yesterday. Dropped some crab traps, some yabby traps in yesterday.
What happened though?
I checked them on the way home. What happened?
What happened?
I just put the traps in the water.
Yeah, but what happened while you were doing that?
I slipped arse over tit and ended up in the drink. Oh, here you go, some water already.
Water crossing. It's running.
So, it is.
Hopefully we don't get bogged. But, good chance for us to use our winch, but shouldn't put that in the universe, as my daughter says.
It's bloody wet out there. You can see water laying on the side of the road. But obviously we're driving across the floodplain now of the Thompson River. So yeah, it should be fairly wet. But we'll keep going. There's a national park out here, or something, I don't know what it's called, something like that. We'll oh, that might be the one out the other side. Anyway, we'll see what we find, and we'll come back to you.
Do we go through Junta?
No, we don't go through Junta. We head out towards a place called Opalton.
Okay.
But we won't get to Opalton. Probably do about, I don't know, about 150k round trip. So hopefully the roads are all open, so we can just go right around and then come back on the Stonehenge Stonehenge Winter Road.
Oh, so we come back over the Thompson River.
Back over the Thompson, that's correct.
No worries. Well, we'll show you more on the way. It's pretty green out here at the moment. Absolutely beautiful. Like Bernie said, this is the floodplain, so of course it's going to be green. Maps out.
Maps out. We go down here. 26 k's.
Get the writing pad out, Bill.
26, 22 is 48, 58 k's. Clear rail, what's he? Done.
Let's go. We're just coming up to the national park. Oh, she's running. We're just about to go across the Thompson River. But she is well and truly running over the spillway there. So that actually goes down to Stonehenge, all the way down to the Diamantina, doesn't it, Bernie?
Yeah, eventually, yep.
And then
To Lake Eyre. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the Thompson. I'll have a look at this sign, but... So we're just entering the national park now. It is the Thompson River.
So this is a national park.
Lochern, or however you want to pronounce it.
Lochern.
Lochern.
Could be a loch. Like in Wales. Is that Wales or Scotland? Scotland. You can see how different the country is. How it was just all green before, now it's definitely not.
The road colours changed. Then 1 minute they're red, and we just went through red sand. Now we're on like a whitey coloured rock and
Went through black
soil.
Black soil's the bad stuff. Makes it very boggy.
To Diamantina National Park. You've got the corner country, Birdsville. It's not that far away in the scheme of things. You know, still 400 and 500 k's. But yeah, this is the heart of the Channel country out here. You've got the red dunes and the valleys and the creeks and the channels. Everywhere.
So we actually got like a actual creek crossing that's flowing. Let's hope it doesn't take the big girl down there.
Which is good. I might be able to get rid of some of the mud under my car. Might hit this fairly hard, I think.
Oh, really?
Well, not hard, but hard-ish. Try and get rid of some of this mud.
Hang on tight, people. Ah! Oh, that was stupid.
noticed this here. It's must be a monitoring station for the river. Have a go at the swallows' nests. All around it. That's pretty cool. There's a brown sign over there. I might go and have a look at that, see what that says. And that's the creek that we just crossed. She's fairly flowing, that one. I don't think it would have been like to be here the other night when we got that inch of rain. We'll go down this road and have a bit of a look.
Oh, hello. Look at him looking. Oh, that must be Mum. Yep, that's Mum. Look at her. I wonder if she's got twins. There's Mum. No, I'm not. I'm too busy trying to look at everything else. It's okay, we're not going to hurt your babies. Okay. They both go to
Big Daddy.
Hey, big boy. You are huge. About 32 kilometres north of Junda, just off the road, you'll find a native well carved into the rock. Native wells in Australia have been used for centuries by Aboriginal people as a water source. Wells in outback Queensland are dry most of the time. However, during the wet season, the water is filtered through cap rock and pools in the natural depressions and then used by people and animals alike. They can vary in size, ranging from around 30 centimetres to a couple of metres in diameter. To see how deep this is. Oh, very deep at all.
A lot of sand and shit in there.
Oh, is there?
It's only 400 mil deep.
Oh. Is it cold?
There's a couple of more areas down there. There's water sitting in the. That's cool.
Oh, really?
Sitting in the creek, or the water holes.
Oh, yeah. Jump ups are all that's left after 90 million years of slow but relentless erosion. Let's wind back the clock some 220 million years ago when dinosaurs were roaming the Earth. Enormous tectonic forces warped the region, pushing it down and forming the Great Artesian Basin. The oceans flooded into the area, and for over 100 million years, this shallow sea slowly filled with river sediments washing in from nearby land. Then the climate changed. The sea retreated towards the Gulf of Carpentaria, and this flat landscape was colonised by forests. Australia at the time was dominated by wet and tropical weather. All that rain caused an erosion of the land, with new rivers carrying away the silt and sand, reducing the higher ground and building up with lower regions. The jump ups are what is left, with the flat hard tops and steep escarpments. So we just come up to this. It's like a jump up pretty much. You're up pretty high. Look at the view. Oh my God. Absolutely beautiful. We're probably about 30 k's, Bernie, from Stonehenge.
Yeah. 40 k's from Junda.
Pretty much halfway.
Yeah. Lots of campsites here. You're out this way.
Not in the middle of summer, but it's absolutely beautiful.
Sunset here would be amazing.
That's it. That's west out there, so sunset would be beautiful. Gorgeous. Don't forget to tune in next Friday at 6 p.m. when we bring more adventures from two aging Aussies. Peace be the journey.